Let me tell you something that might surprise you. You don't need to work in tech to learn a little cybersecurity. In fact, you should, because it's part of everyday life now. If you're online, shopping, banking, using social media, working from home, you're already a target. Not because you did anything wrong, but because scammers go after people who aren't prepared. And here's the good news. You don't need to be an expert to protect yourself. Just learning how to spot a fake email, how to create strong passwords, or how to use two-factor authentication. Those small steps can make a big difference. And that's why I'm here. I'm Vivian Berry, and I break this stuff down in plain language so you can feel safe and confident no matter your background. If you've ever said, "I'm not good with tech," I made this for you. Follow me for easy, real-world tips, and subscribe if you're ready to stop feeling behind and start feeling secure. You got this, and I've got you.